Welcome, today we're going to show you how to update from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your internet browser, I'll see from here, and you need to search for Windows 11 download. So from here you need to make sure that you open the Microsoft website, I'll see from here. So it will be the first link that will pop up to you. You need to click on it. And from here, I'll see it will say that this is the best option for installing Windows 11 on this device you're currently using. So, you need to click on download now, I'll see from here, to get started. Also, it says that Windows 11 installation assistant doesn't run on ARM-based PCs, it only works for x64 processors. So, you need to click on download now, and the installation file will download. So, now you need to click on open, hit on yes, and I'll see it will check my laptop health. So it will ask you to get the PC health check up, I'll see from here, to check the compatibility for Windows 11. So now it will download. After you click on this option, I'll see from here, you need to open it. So after you open the PC health check up, from here you can click on check now, and it will check if your PC is compatible with Windows 11. After that, from here you need to click on the installation, on accept and install to accept Windows policy. After that, you can actually install Windows 11 if your PC is compatible. So now after you click on accept and install, it will start downloading Windows 11 on your PC. After that, it will install it and it may take some time. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.